5 most common questions about Amazon FBA. At Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society, as an Amazon service provider, we found that there is no cookie cutter way or a step-by-step way to building your Amazon business. Everybody has their own time constraints, maybe even capital constraints, and every single entrepreneur also has their advantages. With that being said, we do get a lot of common questions, and in this video, I'm going to be answering the top 5 most asked questions. Do I need a custom package for selling on Amazon FBA? No, you don't need custom packaging to sell on Amazon FBA. The minimal viable packaging is a poly bag because it encloses all of the product. If you are in the testing phase and you're testing out if the product is going to be successful on Amazon, I would suggest that you just use a simple poly bag. However, having branded, customized packaging also serves as a way to showcase your brand. You can also include a lot of details about your brand on your packaging, and you can use that packaging in your images, in your listing, to differentiate yourself from other sellers. Should I sell on other marketplaces besides Amazon? Yes, you should exercise a multi-channel approach or omni-channel approach to selling online. Definitely, you need to be where your customers are. Some people love to buy from Amazon. They like the fast delivery. They like the one-click purchase. However, other customers would rather purchase from other websites, maybe just a standard website or other marketplaces such as Noon, for example, if we are focused on the Middle East. So yes, you should be selling on other marketplaces. However, I would suggest that you do it one step at a time, because trying to sell on all of these marketplaces at the same time is going to be very, very difficult for you to succeed on all of them. Take it one step at a time. Start on Amazon, because the best thing about Amazon is that the traffic is there, customers are there, and they're very, very loyal to the Amazon brand and the Amazon platform. Get started, succeed on Amazon, test your product on Amazon, and then roll it out to other marketplaces. What are UPC codes and how do they work with Amazon? A UPC barcode is a machine-readable 12-digit barcode. It's used by businesses so that they can validate and verify the inventory and also be able to process orders and sales very quickly. You find barcodes, UPC barcodes, on every single product that you buy from like a supermarket. So on Amazon, you need a UPC barcode when you are listing your very first product. It is referred to on Amazon as a product ID. After that product ID or UPC barcode is entered into the listing, then Amazon will transfer it to its own stock keeping unit known as ASIN. If you want to talk about any product to the Amazon team, your product, you refer to it as an ASIN, and ASINs are normally alphanumeric numbers. Now, this is where you're done if you are not going to send your products over to the Amazon FBA warehouse. However, if you want to do the Amazon FBA business model, meaning you're going to be sending the units over to the Amazon warehouse, this is where you now need to print the barcode that the Amazon warehouse actually uses, better known as fulfillment SKU, FNSKU. That barcode is unique to Amazon and the Amazon fulfillment system. You need to print it and paste it on each and every unit that's going to be arriving and be warehoused in the Amazon fulfillment center. How much capital should I start with? The answer to this question should be based off of the goals that you are trying to accomplish. Obviously, the more capital you have, the better your returns are going to be, because you're going to be able to sell more products on Amazon, get more inventory, so a lower cost of goods, and also have more money to spend on advertising and marketing, which is going to result in a better return on your investment. However, the average return on Amazon is anywhere between 20 to 30%. If you are launching a product for the very first time, it's going to be a little bit higher for you because you want to experiment and learn a little bit more about advertising. So your costs are going to be higher, your returns are going to be lower. With that being said, at the end of the day, Amazon is a physical product business, which means the main constraint is the investment that you have in the beginning, because you need to purchase inventory in order to sell it on Amazon. The follow-up to this question could be, can you start with a very, very low investment? And yes, of course you can. However, like I said in the beginning, the constraints are going to be, you're not going to be able to get the product at a really good price because you're getting a very low inventory quantity, and you're probably not going to have a really good budget to advertise and market, whereas other sellers are advertising and marketing on Amazon, you need to match what they're doing. So yes, of course you can test out the business with a very, very low investment. However, you shouldn't expect very high returns if you don't put money into the business. How do I handle tax compliance in the UAE and KSA for my Amazon FBA business? So the good news is the only tax that you need to be worried about as an Amazon seller, not as a business, as an Amazon seller, is the VAT tax. And VAT in the UAE and KSA kind of works and functions the same. If you are a local seller, meaning if you are based and registered in the UAE as a UAE seller, if you're based and registered in KSA as a KSA seller, then you do not need to register for VAT straight away. You have a threshold of 375,000 dirhams, 375,000 Saudi riyals until it's mandatory for you to register for VAT. Before then, sales-wise, you're able to not register for VAT. However, if you are selling as an international seller, meaning you are not based in the UAE and KSA, then you will need to register straight away.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe to the channel. And check out our website to learn how you can work with us.